Hello, Thorboy. So what is this?
This is a volcanic
Aromatherapy machine.
And
Okay, cool. Can you turn it on? Oh, it's already outside.
so it turns into two different colors. You can see the other color over here. You can just. It also comes with the remote. I got it from.
Ooh! I can see the smoke. Wow.
I also got it from Dragon City. And
Oh, this thing has like this one color, or?
it has two different.
Wow.
I think blue looks better.
Blue looks
And
better.
then you can also click this. And it
Whoa.
makes so much.
So much, so nice. I think it's pretty cool.
Yes.
Wow. We should actually make a video of it in the dark.
Yes.
Too much light right now. I think Mjolnir is enjoying it.
We should also do it at night.
Yeah. I think Mjolnir and Stormbreaker are enjoying it, right?
Yes. I love it.
They love it.